Welcome to our exploration of photosynthesis, the lifeblood of our planet. Photosynthesis is a miraculous natural process carried out by plants, algae, and some bacteria. These organisms capture energy from sunlight and convert it into chemical energy stored as sugar. This process is fundamental to the survival of life on Earth, as it forms the base of the food chain and provides oxygen, which is critical for the survival of most organisms. Plant leaves, the primary sites of photosynthesis, act as efficient solar-powered food factories. Here, with the aid of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide are transformed into glucose and oxygen. This transformation not only sustains the plant's life, but also supports the entire biosphere's energy needs. Understanding photosynthesis is not just about appreciating these natural factories, it's also about recognizing our dependence on them. The oxygen we breathe and the food we consume are direct benefits derived from photosynthesis, making it a process that supports all life on Earth. Now let's delve into the two phases of photosynthesis and overview. Photosynthesis consists of two main stages, the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. These two stages work together to convert solar energy into chemical energy. The overall process is a beautiful orchestration of energy transformation occurring primarily within the chloroplasts of plant cells. The light-dependent reactions, as the name suggests, require sunlight. These reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. Here, light energy is captured by chlorophyll and used to make ATP and NADPH, which are rich energy sources. Water is also split in this process, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Next comes the Calvin cycle, which does not directly depend on light, but on the products of the light-dependent reactions. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplasts. Here, ATP and NADPH produced in the first stage are used to convert carbon dioxide from the air into organic molecules like glucose. This stage highlights the plant's ability to fix inorganic carbon into a form that can be used by all living organisms. Let's focus on the first phase of photosynthesis, the light-dependent reactions, capturing the sun's energy. These reactions convert solar energy into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. This phase takes place within the thylakoids, which are stacked like pancakes in the chloroplasts and are embedded with chlorophyll and other pigments. During these reactions, sunlight energizes electrons in the chlorophyll. This energy is then used to pump hydrogen ions across the thylakoid membrane, creating a gradient. The flow of these ions back across the membrane drives the synthesis of ATP, similar to how a hydroelectric dam produces power. The splitting of water molecules is another critical aspect of the light-dependent reactions. This process, known as photolysis, provides the electrons needed to replace those excited in the chlorophyll. It also results in the release of oxygen, which is essential for life on Earth. This stage sets the foundation for the energy-rich molecules that fuel the second stage of photosynthesis. Section 4, the Calvin cycle, constructing the molecules of life. Following the light-dependent reactions, the Calvin cycle takes center stage. This set of reactions does not require light directly, but utilizes the ATP and NADPH produced by the first stage. The Calvin cycle operates in the stroma, the fluid-filled space of the chloroplast outside the thylakoids. In this cycle, carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmosphere is fixed into a more stable organic molecule. This process begins with a molecule called ribulose bisphosphate, or RuBP. Enzymes add carbon dioxide to RuBP, which then splits into two smaller sugar molecules. These molecules are then transformed and eventually result in the production of glucose. The Calvin cycle is a fascinating demonstration of biological efficiency. It not only helps in the synthesis of glucose, but also regenerates RuBP, ensuring that the cycle can continue. This cycle emphasizes the plant's role as a vital component in the global carbon cycle, aiding in carbon fixation. Section 5. The role of chlorophyll, nature's solar panels. Chlorophyll is a key pigment found in the chloroplasts of plants and is crucial for the absorption of light in the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis. This pigment gives plants their green color and is primarily responsible for capturing solar energy. Chlorophyll absorbs light most effectively in the blue and red parts of the electromagnetic spectrum, while it reflects green light, which is why plants appear green to us. The structure of chlorophyll allows it to be an excellent light absorber. It has a central magnesium atom which plays a vital role in capturing light energy. The energy absorbed is then transferred to other molecules which initiate the process of photosynthesis. This transfer of energy is fundamental to the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. The efficiency of chlorophyll in capturing solar energy is astonishing. It not only captures light energy but also converts it with minimal energy loss, making photosynthesis one of the most efficient energy conversion processes in nature. This efficiency is crucial for the sustenance of life on Earth, highlighting the importance of chlorophyll in the ecological and biological processes of the planet. Section 6. Chloroplasts, the photosynthetic powerhouses. Chloroplasts are the specialized organelles within plant cells where photosynthesis predominantly occurs. These organelles contain all the necessary components, including chlorophyll, to capture light energy and convert it into chemical energy. Structurally, they are surrounded by a double membrane and contain thylakoids stacked into grana, where light-dependent reactions take place. The internal environment of the chloroplast is perfectly suited for conducting photosynthesis. The stroma, which encases the thylakoids, houses enzymes essential for the Calvin cycle. This strategic arrangement allows for efficient transfer of energy and metabolites between the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. Chloroplasts are more than just static energy converters. They dynamically respond to environmental changes. This adaptability helps plants maximize photosynthesis efficiency under varying light conditions. The presence of chloroplasts highlights the complex and refined nature of plant cells, which have evolved over millions of years to optimize energy capture and utilization. Section 7. Conclusion: Photosynthesis and its ecological significance. Photosynthesis is not merely a biological process, it is a critical ecological function that supports life on Earth. By converting solar energy into chemical energy, photosynthesis provides the primary energy source for nearly all ecosystems. It also contributes to the air we breathe by releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. The role of photosynthesis in carbon fixation is particularly significant in the context of climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide, plants help moderate global temperatures, showcasing the interconnectedness of biological and ecological health. This process underscores the importance of conserving plant life and, by extension, the environments that support it. In conclusion, understanding and appreciating the complexity and significance of photosynthesis can inspire greater environmental stewardship. Protecting our planet's green spaces is crucial, not just for the beauty they offer, but for their vital role in sustaining life on Earth. As we continue to uncover the secrets of photosynthesis, we deepen our connection to nature and our commitment to preserving it.